Hello, Mario. In this video I'm going to take a look at the streetscape, which is Cuban channel, footpath, etc., and the driveway. So let's get there and get on with it. Get our plans up to speed. Let's get our full screen back operating with properties. And right, so the first thing I'm going to do is go to the home channel here, and I'm going to just create a few layers. Now, one of the things that you might notice is that when you do create new layers, that it creates the new layers in all of the viewports. Another thing you might notice is that when you create a new layer, it just uses the previous layer as the sort of template for the new layer. So I'm just going to select that layer there before I create a few new layers, because that's sort of going to make things a little bit easier for me. I also noticed that I've got a couple of layers here, layer 1 and layer 2, that possibly don't have too much in them. I'd probably want that one there, although I might pay to look at them. So I'm going to create a new layer. What I'm going to do is click up here, frozen in all viewports. So particular layer that I'm going to create, I'm going to call it driveway. I don't know what's happened there, where something untoward happened there. I want to make sure I've got all layers. So, oh, there it is there, layer 3 was the one. So I'm going to just rename that layer 3. I must have just clicked inappropriately there. So I'm going to create a layer called driveway. Okay, and I want it to be sort of red in the viewport so that I can sort of have a look at it, manage it there. Red in the model space, but in the viewport space, which is over here, I'll have it as white. So that's where it gets produced. So I'll set that color to white. Okay, and I also want to create another layer similar to that one, and again I'll just frozen in all viewports, and this layer I'm going to call streetscape. For some reason it not allowing me, I'll just rename it streetscape and then push enter. Okay, so that's those couple of layers all done there. I'll just close this for now, and the first one I'm going to do work with is the streetscape layer, which is here, and I'm going to make that the current layer. If only I could find it. There it is there, and I'm going to just turn it on in this viewport, and again it keeps flicking around streetscape, and I'm just going to double click it to make it my current one. I'm actually going to go into model space now and escape out of there to make sure I'm in the right thing, and I'll go to model space and do some work in there. Got a little car up there. I'm just going to delete that. I don't think that's going to be a problem. Okay, so here we are in streetscape, and I'm going to put in the back of the footpath. So that's it there. So I'm just going to go offset, enter 1500, 1500 for the back of the footpath, and that's where I want it there. I'm going to lengthen that line dynamically, dy, enter, and I'm going to put that through to there like that, and through to there like that. So that's the back of my footpath, and I'm going to put that into my Streetscape layer. Which means it should come out red. Okay, so that's the back of the footpath. The front of the footpath is another 1500 away, so that can go there like that. And then the back of the curb is another 1400 away, so offset enter 1400, and okay, and then if I go enter, I can just keep going with the offset, and I'm just going to go 100, and that'll give me the front of the curb. Oops, that didn't go so well. So offset enter 100, enter, and that'll give me the front of the curb, or the face of the curb, which is 100. And then we've got another one. If I go enter and select object or offset, I want to go a 300, which is the no, that didn't work. Okay, so offset enter 300, enter, and that gives me the lip of the channel, which is pretty much my street furniture how I want it. Now I want to have like there's a 600 flare on my driveway, so what I'm going to do is just go in here, C enter, oops, get out of that command first, C enter, and I'm going to put just a 600 center circle there, so that's 600, and then I'm just going to draw a line from the center of that circle there at right angles down to there, and then back up to there, and that's the edge of my driveway there, like so. Delete. Now I want my driveway to be 3 meters wide at the boundary, give me plenty of room because I'm not a very good driver, and so I'm just going to go 1500 circle there, which will be give me the center of my driveway, and then I will draw a line from there at right angles to there, that's all good, and then I'm going to just mirror that other boundary, which is that one there, and I select the so that's finished that selection. This is now selecting the mirror line, and do you want to keep the source objects? Yes, I do, apparently, but AutoCAD thinks otherwise, so I'm just going to undo that. Okay, so I'll just try that again. Escape, escape, escape. MI for mirror, and this is the object I want to mirror. Finish my selection, choose my thing, and erase source objects. No, I don't want to, and that leaves the source object there. So I said yes last time. Delete. Okay, so that's my there, and what I'm going to do is just go TR, and I'm going to take out that one and that one, and remove the circle here. Oops, no, get out of, finish that command, remove the circle there, and that's going to give me, oops, a little bit more trimming to do, and that is going to give me my vehicle entrance. I now want to put a bit of the driveway in. So I'm just going to draw a line in here. Let's get out of here. I'm going to change my I'm going to change to the driveway now. Okay, so that's my one, and that was my streetscape. So I'm just going to draw a line in here, from there through to there, and I'm just going to copy that line, which will be parallel to my house. Just going to move it from there through to there, and that's going to be an edge of a concrete path that I'm just going to put down this side of the house here, give a bit of access to the back. Now I'm going to draw a line from that line there at right angles there to the house, and then I'm going to move that line, move that line through just to the edge there, and then we will just extend like so, there, like that. So that'll be a bit of a driveway there. And then the other thing we want to do is we want to come out from the house like so. I'm just going to copy that in there. I'm going to put that there like so, and then I'm going to draw a line from here. It's going to be right angles to the boundary, and then that's just going to move in over here like so. Okay, so then we're going to I'm going to try something radical that I haven't tried before. Put a fillet in between these two lines here. So here's a fillet here. The radius, R for radius, I'm going to make that a meter. Okay, see if that'll fit. So there, space there, just a nice meter radius there. Oh, I don't know, I think I'd like to make that a bit bigger actually. So I'm going to, can I just delete that? Yeah, I can. So I'm going to go for a fillet there, and I'm going to go for a 2 meter radius and click there and there, and that should give me a 2 meter radius. 2 meter, no it's not, it's a 1 meter radius. I don't know what will happen if I change this to 2 meters. Oh, it pops it out there. Not good. So we'll just take that out of there. Control Z. I think I'll delete that, and I'll just have one more try at this. So fillet, and R for radius, and we go 2 meters like so, and then we just select where we want it, and yeah, oh, that's a bit better. Bit of a 2 meter radius round through there, and that's going to be my driveway. Now I want the area that I concrete, I'm actually going to concrete all the way around the back of the garage, because that'll create some good storage. So I'm just going to put another line through there, like so, and you might see why that's such a cunning plan a little bit later on down the track. But there's my driveway and my street furniture all there, put in like so, and we may need to change that, but that for now that's good, and then we'll work on with our manoeuvring. So if I go back to my site plan, and you can see that those layers are not turned on in the thing there. There's driveway, so I can turn on the driveway in this viewport going up there, so just turn it on there. Yes, there's my driveway. Oh, there's my driveway in. And there was one other thing I think I wanted to do. I think in my previous examples I just made, no, I'm going to leave it like that for now, and we'll see how we go. So there we are, all very good. We've got our driveway sorted and our street furniture and what have you in there. So that's all well and good. Cheers, see you.